Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So there's a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. This is a great way to have your kits go even further and get even more product each and every month. You can also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our flavors of the month and it can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments as well. I'll have links to all those videos at the end of this one. So let's dig in. I'm going to share and show you everything that's in the 3 add-ons this month. So first up, we're going to look at the cardstock add-on. You get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So for the Cartabella Beach Party, you're going to get 2 sheets of scarlet and 1 sheet of vibrant blue. For the Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser, you're going to get 2 sheets of whirlpool and 1 sheet of mauve cardstock. For the Simple Stories Let's Get Crafty, you have 2 sheets of geranium, this great bright vibrant pink, and a sheet of lagoon. And then Vicki Bouton's Sweet Rush, you're going to get 2 sheets of lemon and 1 sheet of taffy pink. For the pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 sheets of additional pattern paper. These are not part of the kit, so these are 2 additional pattern papers. If I can get it in screen here for you. So starting with Cartabella Beach Party, we have the surfboards. And the back is a navy and white striped. We have popsicles, and the back is that orangey red with polka dots. From Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser, we have this gorgeous mixed media, kind of a rainbow in the pastel colors. I just love the paper. The back is this awesome ledger, and it's already bordered on 2 sides with that same background paper, which is awesome. This one called Good Vibes, which is the brush stroke of the stripes. The back is rainbow on the gold. Simple Stories Let's Get Crafty. We have this ledger paper with the floral print at the bottom. Great background paper. We have these small florals on the back on the gold. This paper is called Make Pretty Stuff. And then we have the journal elements, and I always love these because they're all different sizes and they're perfect to tuck in for your journaling. These, of course, have things to do with getting crafty. We have this clipboard, we have paint samples, a library card, currently crafting, happiness is craftiness, I craft because, so some great journaling prompts as well. The back is this plaid. And then from Miss Vicki Bouton's Sweet Rush, we have this paper called Love This, Do All the Things, fabulous. So it's lots of quotes you hear Vicki say. The back is a grid design with some mixed media on the side here. And full branding strip, Love This, Do All the Things, fabulous, my fave. And then we have this paper called Sweet Tooth, which is the chevron and the diagonal with the green and blue on this side and pink and orange. So you could use this all together or cut it apart and have 2 different color palettes. The back is this quilt design in the orange. Pieces of candy across the top. So one more look at all of your pattern papers in the pattern paper add-on. Last, we're going to take a look at the embellishment add-on. This one's always a lot of fun. So for the Cartabella Beach Party collection, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet of all of the little sea creatures, sun and fun for a title, those beach boards, just screams summer. For the Heidi Swapp, you're going to get the thickers. Put this under here. So you're going to get 1 sheet. So those will vary, but this is the one that I got. They have that rainbow pattern of color. Sun Chaser, Weekend, Discover, lots of titles for your summer activities. For the simple stories, let's get crafty. You're going to get, let me go ahead and borrow this again, the page pieces, which these are designed to give you a full layout with everything you need, title, embellishments, and they even give you an idea of how to put it on there. Of course, if you do single pages or smaller layouts, you can make this go really far. So you get large pieces for a title, you get little sprinkles of pieces to fill in, and then lots of pieces to cluster up. So there's a photo album, a label, the ATG gun, a Polaroid, scissors, all of your tools, buttons, paints. So you'll get all of those. And then for Miss Vicky Booten's Sweet Rush, you're going to get half of the chipboard stickers. So this is the one that I got. So they will vary. You'll get one or the other. Love this ledger piece here. And these are really low profile. They're not as thick as most of the chipboard pieces. I love that they're kind of switching to that. I hope all of the companies do that. Save on some bulk. So that is the embellishment add-on. Here's one more look at all three add-ons. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store and the individual items. Share with us what you're creating because we love to see what you create. So thanks so much for watching.